MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumshibenta ka jing Rakhe Ïaka sngi jong kilong kami ka balatip kum ka International Women's Day hak ba ka prothai baro ka wai ka jukan ma buram ya kilong kami haman ka pratrik jong banai leber menta ka sngi ka nyau trik ulber na ka ka Khelo India Center KIC Bhoi ringkat bat ka mai Bharat Bhoi kala Rakhe kerpang ya ka ni ka sngi da ka ba penlong ya ka Lympung Asmita League hamadan marngar hak ni ka sngi le penlong ya ka jing ko mare athletics kum ka 100 meters 200 meters but 400 meters bat la pen Ïalehkai ya ki halai teli ki kerdan kata ki ba hapo khalai snam nang ta ki ba khalai snam hadu khat prasnam bat khat prasnam shaneng hakabalawan bani shimenta de ki samlakan thai bat kilong kimi kumachia thu bagani ka program kalong kum shibenta jong ka Asmita League kabala penbet da Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports jong ka Sarkar India ban kanti ya ka jingi shimenta ki kanthai hagi jingi Ïalehkai sports hagani ka sngi lawan ban sakhilang da ka Dr. T Biam Ayush Medical Officer marngar PHC haga jing don lang Michael T Mate Deputy Director Mai Bharat Bhoi ka kong MG Walang Principal Saint Alfred Higher Secondary School marngar Bhoi District usamla Sylvester Lengdo Khelo India coach lambat ki khun samla kan thai bat kilong kimi ki balawan ban shimenta hakani ka sngi hakabakut jong kani ka sngi nagalem kinong punya kila samru da ki khusnam harangkat ki sernot shabaro kinong job.
Women's, right from girls, the athletes, and our women's. They may be Anganwadis, there are Ashas, VOs who are present here today. I wish you a very happy International Women's Day, which is supposed to be celebrated tomorrow, but it is preponed for today. And I cheers for your supreme power to all the women, for the power of giving life and nurturing life. Ngangit babaro ngiyat tip hitray kandiat kansoy panga International Women's Day mo. Tangba bonsen ngiklat katarik ngigibam tre badan hayeng mo omega what ki kana school ro klet. So 8 March is being celebrated as International Women's Day across the globe. It is celebrated to honor, like what ma'am or sir have just said, to honor women and their contribution to the society. We all believe that women deserve a respect and honor. It is a day to recognize women's achievement. International Women's Day is a day to recognize the women's achievement in every field of life, from home to different departments, education, science, leadership, art, sports, and many more. And it is really thoughtful. It is very thoughtful to celebrate this day with this sports event, by organizing this event by the Asmita Khelo India, which they have already explained that by the previous speaker. It is this initiative of Asmita is for achieving sports milestone by inspiring women through action, through sports. As we all know that sports help us or build us body and mind, teaching teamwork and discipline. Teamwork, discipline and hard work.
We have organized it in a different way. We are introducing the Asmita League. Asmita, which stands for Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action program, with athletics events across all categories for women, empowering them and then encouraging the participation of women in sports, and as well as taking the opportunity to identify talents as a talent hunt competition, so that the winners may, if their timings, if their noted timings are good, maybe their timings as well as their profile will be uploaded on the National Sports Repository website, whereby if interested or if their performances are good, they may be called for further trials to represent the district as well as the state in future any sporting events. Now, Asmita is part of Hello India's gender-neutral mission to promote sports among women through leagues and competition. As such, the Sports Authority of India and the My Bharat organization, both of which falls under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we have come together to celebrate the National Women's Day through sports for women, whereby in this location we have conducted 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters across the age groups of under 13, under 18 and 18 plus categories, in partnership with My Bharat Bhoi as well as Hello India Center, Margar Bhoi. Now, apart from this district, all across the country, events will be organized either tomorrow on the eve of International Women's Day, or today on the eve of International Women's Day, or tomorrow International Women's Day, across the country in 250 locations, 3 of them in Meghalaya, 1 in Nongpoh, 1 in Williamnagar and 1 in Bhoi. The sport chosen here is athletics in Bhoi, and football is the sport chosen for Williamnagar, and table tennis is the sport chosen for Nongpoh.
MeghalayaPost.news